Hello everyone, I am your science teacher Himrita Chandulia. Students, today we will discuss chapter 2nd of class 7th, Nutrition in Animals. In previous chapter, chapter 1, we had discussed about nutrition in plants. And according to that, we know that plants prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But unlike plants, animals cannot prepare their own food. They have to depend upon other plants and animals directly, indirectly. So, in this chapter, we will discuss and learn about nutrition in animals, and we will understand digestive system in human being also. Let's continue this chapter with nutrition in animals. What is nutrition in animals? Beta, nutrition in animals includes nutrient requirement. What type of requirement of animal is, okay, and mode of intake of food, how they will take their food, the mode of intake, okay, its utilization in the body. Its utilization means the food they had taken, its utilization in animal's body. All these points explain the process of nutrition in animals. We already had discussed nutrition in chapter 1. Whenever we are eating food just for energy. But to gain that energy, a mechanism is there in every animal, and that process is known as digestion. What is digestion? Digestion क्या करता है? जो आपने food components अपनी body में लिए हैं, digestion process में वो food components breaks down into smaller substances which are easily absorbed by your body fluids. So we can say that the breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. Let's understand with this diagram. Have a look here. Here molecules are combined together. So हम ये कह सकते हैं ये complex substance structure है. With the help of digestive juices or enzymes, it breaks down into simpler substances. छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो जाते हैं और बॉडी में इजीली एब्जॉर्ब हो जाते हैं. इस प्रोसेस को हम कहते हैं डाइजेशन प्रोसेस. अगेन वी विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस प्रोसेस इन ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द न्यूट्रिशन प्रोसेस इन एनिमल्स, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू नो कि देयर आर वेरियस मैथड्स इन डिफरेंट एनिमल्स टू टेक फूड. वो अपना अपना खाना कैसे लेते हैं. लेट्स हैव अ डिस्कशन ऑन दैट. In bees and hummingbird, how they take their food? They suck nectars of flowers. फूलों का रस चूसते हैं. Okay? In infants of human and animals, जो human के और animals के छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, they feed on mother's milk. So we can say that feeds on mother's milk. Snake and pythons, इनका सिस्टम थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. ये डिपेंड क्या करते हैं, ये डायरेक्टली सॉलो करते हैं अपने प्रे को. सॉलो प्रे एज अ वोल, निगल जाते हैं. दे इंगल्फ डायरेक्टली. इन अदर एनिमल्स वी कैन से दैट एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स क्या करते हैं, दे फिल्टर टाइनी फूड पार्टिकल्स. एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स मीन्स द एनिमल्स विच आर लिविंग इन वाटर. ये क्या करते हैं, जहाँ ये रहते हैं वहाँ पे जो छोटे छोटे फूड पार्टिकल्स होते हैं उनको फिल्टर करते हैं एंड फीड अपॉन दैम. वी कैन से दैट फिल्टर टाइनी फूड पार्टिकल्स एंड फीड अपॉन दैम. इन द सेम मैनर स्नेल क्या करता है, इट डू स्क्रैपिंग. हाउस फ्लाई स्पॉन्जिंग. इनको याद कर लीजिएगा, दे आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इन एग्जाम टीचर कैन आस्क यू द मेथड ऑफ इनटेक ऑफ फूड. Scrapping done by snail, sponging done by housefly and eagle. सब ने देखा है ईगल. ईगल क्या करता है, डायरेक्ट कैप्चर करता है अपने प्रे को. अब एक अमेजिंग फैक्ट डिस्कस करते हैं अबाउट स्टारफिश. एवरीबडी हैड सीन स्टारफिश. इट इज़ जस्ट लुक लाइक दिस. इट इज़ हैविंग शेप लाइक स्टार. बेटा, स्टारफिश अपना खाना कैसे लेती है, द प्रोसेस ऑफ इनटेकिंग ऑफ फूड कैसे करती है ये. हाउ इट फीड्स अपॉन द एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स विच आर मेड अप ऑफ हार्ड शेल. अब ये हार्ड शेल जो है ये किसका बना होता है? कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट का. What is the procedure? It pops out its stomach from its mouth. ये अपने मुंह से अपने पेट को, स्टमक को बाहर लाती है. First it break the shell of the animal, then it take the fleshy structure, सॉफ्ट पार्ट वो एनिमल का एंगल्फ करती है, अपने स्टमक को वापस अंदर लेके जाती है थ्रू इट्स माउथ, एंड देयर डाइजेशन ऑफ दैट फूड टेक प्लेस. Isn't amazing? Let's discuss nutrition process in animals. Students, in animals, nutrition process are of 5 types. What are they? They are ingestion, and ingestion means the food taking process by any animal. So we can say that taking food into the body, and it is done by mouth. Okay. After ingestion, digestion of food is there. The second process is known as digestion, and we know in digestion what happen? Breakdown of complex substances into simpler one. Okay. After digestion, the food is absorbed. The next process is known as absorption. After that, assimilation is there, and in assimilation, the food which is absorbed in body parts, it is transferred through body fluids where there is energy required. Okay. And after assimilation, the undigested food is thrown out by the body, and that process is known as egestion. So how many processes are there for the nutrition? 5. 1. Ingestion, 2nd. Digestion, 3rd. Absorption, 4. Assimilation, last 5th is egestion. Let's discuss all this process in human digestive system. Human digestive system is the most developed digestive system in nature. बेटा ह्यूमन डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को हम मेनली 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज नॉन एज एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, और एलिमेंट्री कैनाल से एसोसिएटेड होती हैं सम डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड्स. ओके. व्हाट इज एलिमेंट्री कैनाल? इन ह्यूमन अ मस्क्यूलर लॉन्ग ट्यूब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, ऐसे मस्क्यूलर long tube like structure is there which is known as alimentary canal, and it is near about 10 meter long. Okay. This alimentary canal starts from buccal cavity and ends into anus. We divide humans alimentary canal in various parts. What are they? First part is known as buccal cavity. Buccal cavity opens into esophagus, and esophagus is also known as food pipe. Okay. Esophagus opens into third part which is known as stomach, and stomach continues with small intestine, and that is fourth part. Small intestine continue with fifth part, that is large intestine. Okay beta, and large intestine ending into rectum, and finally the sixth part, that is known as anus. So the alimentary canal is divided into 6 parts. What are they? Buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Students, along with alimentary canal, some associated glands are there which are known as digestive glands. What they do? They secrete digestive juices which break down food into simpler substances, and we know that process is known as digestion. In human body, there are 3 important digestive glands. What are they? Salivary gland, liver, and pancreas. Now we will discuss alimentary canal of human being in diagram. Have a look on the board. It is diagram of human alimentary canal. Students, in this diagram where you are having green, pale yellow color labeling, these are associated digestive glands, and other are parts of alimentary canal. कैसे start होता है? Between our lips, we are having here our mouth or buccal cavity. In buccal cavity, we are having salivary glands. तो position ध्यान रखिए, salivary gland कहाँ situated होती है? In buccal cavity. Buccal cavity continue with a long pipe which is known as esophagus, and esophagus also known as food pipe. Then it opens into stomach. Okay? और stomach के पास में ही there is a leaf like structure which is known as pancreas, and pancreas is a digestive gland. Stomach opens into small intestine. Okay? And small intestine opens into, continue with large intestine and ending into rectum, and finally जो rectum है वो open होता है through anus, and through anus we thrown out undigested, unabsorbed food from body. Let's have a discussion on the first part of alimentary canal in human being. And what is first part? First part is mouth and the buccal cavity. और यहाँ से start होती है हमारी nutrition का first process, and the first process is known as ingestion. And what does it mean? It means the process of taking food into body. हर animal में it is different. We already had discussed it. Okay. And important thing, digestion starts from here. We can say digestion begins inside the mouth. And in human mouth, we are having tongue, we are having teeth, and they all are having their different function. So we can say that teeth helps to cut and grind food into smaller pieces. In the same way, tongue have its function. Tongue mixes food with saliva for digestion. In this manner, we can say the mouth and the buccal cavity contains teeth, tongue, salivary gland. Okay? Let's discuss one by one. First, we will discuss about teeth. Beta, in human body, when we open our mouth, we found the hard structure that is known as teeth. And teeth have different function. Let's discuss about teeth. You will notice same arrangement of teeth in your mouth also. Open your mouth in front of mirror and observe the same arrangement. Let's have a discuss about them. The front four teeth which are sharp, straight, they are known as incisors, which helps in cutting. Okay? And next to incisors, sharp and pointed teeth, which helps in stabbing, tearing and piercing, they are known as canines. After canines, we are having molars. Okay, and premolars को हम हिंदी में छोटी दाढ़ भी कहते हैं. Is it clear? And after premolars, we are having molars. और इन molars को हम बड़ी दाढ़ कहते हैं, and their number is different in different person. It varies from person to person. Let's have discuss all the function, their arrangement, their number, their structure in a table. Students, in this table, in first column we are having teeth type. आपको teeth का front structure जो है वो visible है. In human being there are two sets of teeth. अब two sets of teeth क्या होता है बेटा? First set means दूध के दांत, milk teeth, which break down after a certain age. And after that we will have permanent teeth जो हमेशा रहते हैं, and that's why milk teeth are known as temporary teeth. अब उनका नंबर क्या है, how they are divided, how many teeth are there, देखते हैं. Incisor look like this. What is the function? I already told you, they help in cutting. In first set there are total 8 incisors, 4 in each jaw. हमारे पास दो जॉ हैं, लोअर जॉ एंड अपर जॉ. लोअर एंड अपर जॉ के नंबर्स को काउंट करके कितने हैं? टोटल 8 इंसाइजर्स हैं इन फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ टीथ में. ठीक है. सेकंड सेट ऑफ टीथ में कितने हैं बेटा? अगेन सेम, टोटल 8 नंबर ऑफ इंसाइजर्स, 4 in upper, 4 in lower. Next, canine comes. Canines are sharp pointed, which helps in stabbing and tearing. And number of canines in first set and second set are same. Total number 4, 2 in upper jaw, 2 in lower jaw, same in the second set. अब बात करते हैं प्रीमोलर्स की. In first set यानी in milk teeth no premolars are there, okay, but in permanent teeth we are having total 8 premolars, 4 in each jaw, okay. Come on molars. In first set milk teeth total number of molars are 8, 4 in each jaw, 2 on left side, 2 on right side. तो total numbers कितने हुए? 8. In this way, in first set, यानी in milk teeth, total number of teeth in human are 20. अब molar second set में different है. How many molars we are having in first set? We are having 8. And how many molars we are having in second set? That is the permanent teeth. 12, 6 in each jaw, okay, 3 on right, 3 on left. So in this way total number of teeth कितने हुए हमारे? 32. हम कहते हैं ना इंसान में कितने दांत होते हैं टोटल? 32, 32. अब बच्चे सोचेंगे मैम बट आई डोंट हैव 32. Yes, it varies person to person. As you grown, your number of molars also grown. So wait for 32 teeth. I hope everything is clear about teeth, their function, their number. Let's discuss about the next part, which is tongue. Beta, what is tongue? Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back of the floor of buccal cavity. आपका जो बकल कैविटी का बैक है, यहाँ देखिए, यहाँ पर से ये उसके फ्लोर से अटैच होती है. अब टंग के इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शंस क्या हैं? सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट फंक्शन, इट हेल्प्स अस इन स्पीकिंग, ओके, ये हमारी बोलने में हेल्प करती है. एक्सेप्ट दैट व्हाट इट हेल्प्स अस, इट हैज़ टेस्ट बर्ड्स टू नो द टेस्ट ऑफ द फूड. नहीं मम्मा मीठा कम है, नहीं मम्मा आज खट्टा ज़्यादा है. कैसे टेस्ट करते हैं हम ये सब? विद द हेल्प ऑफ टेस्ट बर्ड्स. हमारी टंग पे डिफरेंट टेस्ट बर्ड्स होते हैं. द टिप ऑफ द टंग गिव्स यू द टेस्ट ऑफ स्वीटनेस, आपको बताता है मीठा है. जस्ट नेक्स्ट टू sweet taste buds we are having salty taste buds which gives us the taste of salt. After that we are having the sour taste buds जो आपको बताती हैं कि ये चीज़ खट्टी है. Sometimes we eat some bitter things and when we feel that bitterness after chewing it, okay, so we can say here this mid portion of the tongue gives you the taste of bitterness. In this way the tongue helps us to give different taste. अब सबसे important function tongue का वो digestion में कैसे help करती है? Let's have a look. It pushing and swallowing the food inside the food pipe. आपने मुंह में food लिया, with the help of teeth you cut it, you grind it, mastication process is there, okay. After that it pushes that chewed food to esophagus. वो esophagus को उसको shift करता है food को, वो उसको नीचे भेजता है. Next is our saliva. बेटा saliva ऐसे करके देखिए. Yes, this is saliva. Saliva, what is saliva? It is secreted by salivary glands. And मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था salivary glands are situated in buccal cavity. It is made up of water and other chemicals. Saliva का सबसे important function है it keeps your mouth moist. It keep the mouth moist. And important function in digestion is that it breaks down the starch in the food to sugars. Okay, हमने कहा digestion process माउथ में स्टार्ट हो जाता है, बकल कैविटी में स्टार्ट हो जाता है. Yes, here the digestion start. The food which we are taking, it is rich in carbohydrate and that is स्टार्च. ये स्टार्च एक कॉम्प्लेक्स कार्बोहाइड्रेट है. इट ब्रेक्स इनटू सिंपल sugar. Okay student, in this segment we discussed about nutrition in animals, various processes of nutrition, and we had started digestive system in human being. We will continue this digestive system of human being in next segment. Till then you learn all the concept. Okay, thank you everyone.